Oh shit, someone's already here.
Enemy soldier incoming.
Fuck, where's this at?
Okay, he's
there's
dead.
one up top.
There's trucks there, be careful.
Yep. There was some shooting on the... Oh yeah, right here.
Yeah, straight across.
Yeah.
Forget it.
Guy in like a motorcycle flying.
Oh shit, someone next to me!
Got him.
Almost.
Four-wheeler coming in, four-wheeler.
Another vehicle coming in.
Oh boy. Just got ran over by a motorcycle. Watch him.
I'm in trouble.
Alright, motorcycle's dead.
Ah, they killed themselves.
Mine and blew him up.
Good job on
Ran me
that.
over, but I took him
Aha.
down.
Nice.
Oh, what's that?
What was that?
He threw it in the air. It's not supposed to do that.
My aiming is...
It's a raccoon.
That would be the best comment ever. Clip it, Chad.
He had a big head. Raccoon head.
Big head raccoon.
Yeah, you couldn't miss him.
Yeah, I mean, from here we can
Oh, shit.
fly into
Oh, yeah.
zone, so...
I'm sorry, I fell.
You good?
Bloodthirsty.
Yeah, I fell.
She's bloodthirsty.
I fell, so I'm leaving.
Oh, okay.
Mister.
So we gone. No rockets?
Oh, I landed in a window. I hear shots from here.
It's truck.
Yeah, there's a lot of shots on the... right there? Okay.
Oh, he's dead,
Yeah.
he's dead.
Oh,
he's
you
dead.
got him?
Yeah.
Okay.
What were you thinking?
Holy shit, where'd that guy come from?
Oh yeah, right across a bunch.
Gas is closing in. Get to the new safe zone. Gulag is closed until further notice.
Oh, we killed both
Nice. Another one running.
That was cool.
We got gas coming too.
Ah, another raccoon. Is it the same, you think?
Loadout drop headed your
What the
way.
fuck?
Oh, good job.
Reinforcing armor.
Yeah, he's right on your left, Sophie. Behind that wall. That's the guy.
Gas is moving in.
Yeah, you know what? He'll have
So
to come with
he's gonna have
us.
to come to us. He's gonna
Yeah.
come to us.
Yeah.
You can climb on that building, watch that ladder too.
Move to the safe zone. Gas is inbound.
You should go in front, Sophie, like right there behind that little building.
Quoi?
À ta gauche. En arrière de toi, là. Avance vers le mur.
There, he's there.
I don't see him.
Non, non, il est juste en haut de toi, il est juste en haut de ta
He's
tête.
right in front of you. Right in front of you. He's broke.
Just to shoot one.
Nice.
Whoops.
Did you get him? I don't know what happened.
Yeah, she did, but I was fucking
Nice.
sketched as
It didn't.
fuck.
It didn't populate on mine. I was like, I don't know what happened. I already get it.
I just turned left and I shot once and put, he was dead.
Shot him in the toe.
He landed almost
Yeah,
on you.
that's why I couldn't see him. I don't
T'étais
know. I
chanceuse,
didn't-
pardon.
Yeah.
T'étais chanceuse en Christ.
Yep.
Il y avait qui t'a pas vu, parce que sinon...
Non, c'est ça.